Today I will be cooking crunchy stir-fried mixed vegetable. Usually this dish has soft vegetable and a lot of gravy. For this recipe, the vegetables are quite cooked and crunchy with less thick gravy. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 270 grams of cauliflower, washed and cut to pieces, 130 grams of sweet peas, wash and cut the tips and threads, 65 grams of yellow onion, cut to pieces, 125 ml of water, 120 grams of tomato, cut to wedges, 82 grams of carrot, sliced thinly, 35 grams of wood ear mushroom or black fungus, cut to pieces, 2 tablespoons of garlic oil, 1 tablespoon of crispy fried garlic, half tablespoon of tapioca flour, half tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and half teaspoon of sesame oil. The full list of ingredients is in the See More link. First, prepare the flour mix. This makes the dish drier. Add 25 ml of water to the tapioca flour. Mix until well combined. Cornstarch can be used instead if tapioca flour is not available. Set aside. Switch on the heat to medium. Pour in all the garlic oil into the pan and allow the oil to get hot for about 1 minute. When the oil is hot, add the carrots, wood ear mushroom, and sweet peas. Stir to coat all the vegetable with garlic oil. This takes about 20 seconds. Add the rest of the water. If more gravy is preferred, add another 100 ml of water. Stir it briefly to evenly distribute the water. Cover the pan and let it simmer for 4 minutes. We are cooking this vegetable first as they take a longer time to cook than the cauliflower and tomatoes. After 4 minutes, the water is bubbling and the vegetables are cooked and slightly softer. It already smells so good. Add the yellow onion, cauliflower, and all the seasoning: sesame oil, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, and half of the crispy fried garlic. Stir the vegetable and seasoning until well combined. This takes about 20 seconds. Then add all the tomato wedges. Stir to mix it all once more. The tomato will give this dish a slight sourness. Cover the pan and continue to simmer for another 2 minutes. The vegetable will be just cooked, slightly crunchy and very delicious. For softer vegetable, they can be simmered for another 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, open the lid and stir to mix well. Wow! It smells so good. The vegetables are cooked and ready. Let's give it a taste. More seasoning can be added as preferred, but for this, it's already delicious. When you are happy with the taste, pour in the flour mix. Then give it a quick stir to thicken the gravy. As I like my stir-fried vegetable to be dry, this flour mix helps thicken the little bit of gravy and make the dish drier. Perfect! Switch off the heat. Mix in the rest of the crispy fried garlic into the dish. Alright, all crunchy stir-fried mixed vegetable is done. Dish it out and serve immediately for the best texture. Let's eat! Sweet, crunchy, and with slight sourness from the tomatoes. It's so delicious. This will be perfect on its own or with some rice. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!